Hello everyone. Today we are going to exploit SSRF vulnerability. That means Server-Side Request Forgery. Before we exploit the vulnerability, let us learn what is meant by SSRF. Server-Side Request Forgery, SSRF, is a web security vulnerability that allows an attacker to make the server-side application send requests to unintended locations. This can lead to unauthorized actions or access to sensitive data within the organization. SSRF attacks can bypass firewall or VPN protection, enabling malicious actors to access internal systems and potentially gain control over them. Here we are going to explore the vulnerability of this shopping site. In this shopping site, at the Check Stock button, there is a vulnerability exists. To exploit this vulnerability, we need Burp Suite. We will use Burp Suite for capturing the request from the application. From the request we have captured, we can see an API is leading to the product ID. But it is URL encoded. We can convert it to the normal format and observe. Like we discussed in the beginning, by exploiting the SSRF vulnerability, we can make unauthorized actions or access to sensitive data in the organization. I am trying to perform an unauthorized action by accessing a restricted location. I am providing the localhost admin path, if vulnerable exists, that will allow me to access the admin page. See, in the response we got an access to the admin page. Let us see this in the browser. See, I got an access to the admin page in the browser itself. I have permission to delete another 2 users, which is only possible by an admin. Here I am repeating the same step to delete the user Carlos. From the previous response we found a path leading to deletion of user Carlos. This time we will utilize that one to delete the Carlos account. Now we can see the result directly in this application itself. We cannot directly delete Carlos from here, that required an admin level permission. So we should look for the path leading to the deletion of Carlos user. This is the path leading to the deletion of user Carlos. We have to utilize this path into our request. After forwarding the request, go to the website and reload the page. Now we will perform SSRF vulnerability exploitation in another approach. We cannot always guarantee there will be a local host admin page. In the Burp tool itself, there is an option for exploiting SSRF vulnerability. Click on View Details button and intercept the communication to the server. We will inject a collaborator payload into the referrer header position, so we will clear the header except the HTTP. After injecting the payload, we will forward to the server. Then after, we should go for collaborator. There is an option for poll now. We should click on poll now button. If SSRF vulnerability exists, a response will come back to the collaborator. We already have injected the payload. Now the payload is communicating back to the collaborator, which means SSRF vulnerability exists.